Today's video is sponsored by TaraLee. So a lot of you guys have been really enjoying my jelly face masks, and specifically I've been getting a request to make an exfoliating jelly mask. So today I'm going to be making this brightening strawberry jelly face mask. Before we get into today's video, I want to quickly talk about our sponsor for today, which is IPL Hair Removal by TaraLee. This is an at-home hair removal treatment. What's really cool about this device is that you can actually use it on your legs, arms, face, bikini area, underarms, and on your back. And this product retails for $79. You can purchase it over on Amazon or over on their website. I'll have both of those linked down in the description box for you guys. This device is really easy to use. This is the actual device that you'll be putting up against your skin, and don't worry, they include all the directions you need to know to understand how to use it and how to go about testing it out in order to not experience irritation, just in case you do have sensitive skin. So it does plug into the wall, you don't have to worry about purchasing batteries, and it also includes a 2-year warranty as well. And one more thing it includes is actually protective eyeglasses, because it does make a flashing light when you go to use it. You want to make sure you're wearing these to protect your eyes. But overall, so far I've been really enjoying this product. Obviously I haven't been using it long enough to really see any extreme results, but I'm going to be continuing using it. And if you're interested in checking out this product, like I said, it'll be linked down below. It retails for $79. And if you want, you can hop on over to Amazon and check out all the reviews from other customers. This is today's sponsor, TaraLee. Go check them out. Links down in the description box. I'm going to be making a batch of 40 grams of this face mask, and we're going to be using this 100 milliliter glass beaker. And I'm starting with some glycerin. This is a lovely humectant to help hydrate the skin, and I added in 1.6 grams. Now I'm going to be adding in some Euxol PE 9010. This is our preservative, and we need to solubilize this in some kind of solvent. In this case, the glycerin is our solvent, and I added in 0.4 grams of the Euxol PE 9010 and mixed the glycerin and the preservative together. Now I'm going to be adding in some xanthan gum soft, and I don't recommend really any other xanthan gum other than xanthan gum clear. It does a pretty good job, but not as good as a job compared to xanthan gum soft for this face mask. You can replace it with another gelling ingredient if you would like, but I went ahead and added in 0.8 grams of the xanthan gum soft and mixed it in until it hydrated in the glycerin and preservative. So once that's finished, I am grabbing the strawberry fruit essence, which smells absolutely amazing. It has like a really strong scent of strawberry, so you really don't need that much of it. So I added in 10% of it, which equals 4 grams. And I went ahead and mixed that in. And as you can see, the formulation has thickened up a lot. Now I'm going to be adding in some distilled water, 25.6 grams of it. And before we mix the distilled water in, I'm actually going to be adding in our coloring, which is some red mica powder, and then mixing everything together. Now I'm going to be adding in Alpha-Flor Gigawhite, which I believe is how it's pronounced. This is actually an EcoCert approved skin lightener. It can brighten and even the skin tone as well as reduce the color intensity of age spots. It's active in pH levels between 3 to 6.5, so you want to keep that in mind when you're formulating with it. And I added in 2 grams of the Alpha-Flor Gigawhites. Next up is some licorice root extract. This is supposedly a soothing ingredient for the relief of eczema, but studies have also shown that it may be a benefit in skin lightening products as well. So I'm going to be adding in 1.6 grams of it. And then we have some fruit acid complex. This is a concentrated blend of 5 botanical extracts: bilberry, sugarcane, sugar maple, orange, and lemon. These extracts contain several naturally occurring alpha-hydroxy acids. Alpha-hydroxy acids have been shown to promote smoother, younger looking skin by increasing the rate of cell renewal. So this is our exfoliating ingredient, and I added in 4 grams of it. So you just want to give everything a good mix. I use this mini mixer here to just make sure everything is well combined and nice and jelly. You really don't have to worry about mixing everything together until the very end. So yeah, here we are, just mixing it all together, and there you go. Now we got this beautiful red jelly concoction. So here I'm just kind of showing you the consistency of it. It's nice and smooth, there's no chunks, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So now I'm going to be testing the pH of our face mask. I just took a 25 milliliter glass beaker, added in 10% of the face mask with 90% distilled water, mixed it up until the face mask dissolved in the water, And then I just dipped my pH meter in some distilled water before placing it in the diluted solution of the face mask. Let it sit for about a minute, and the pH is right around 4.10, which is perfect. You want to make sure your pH is above 4 when you're working with the fruit acid complex. So this is perfect. No pH buffer needed. So I'm just taking this 1 ounce glass jar to store my face mask in, which it fit perfectly in there. Then I made this little label which says Brightening Strawberry Jelly Mask and placed it on my jar. So here's the finished Brightening Strawberry Jelly Face Mask. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Any jelly product I make, I'm just obsessed with because I love the consistency of it. I love how cooling and refreshing it is. And I'm digging this red color. I'm not a big fan of red, but it's just so vibrant and you gotta love it. It looks amazing and it goes perfect with the product. It's strawberry themed, so of course we're gonna pick red. The way I like to apply this face mask is just with a clean makeup brush. This is actually just dedicated to applying face masks. I don't use it to put on any makeup. And just take a little bit of it, put a nice layer all over your face, let it sit for like 20 minutes and then wash it off, and there you go. That's all you gotta do to use the mask. I recommend using this maybe once to 3 times a week, depending on what your skin type is. If you have sensitive skin, only use it once a week. But if your skin's not too sensitive, you can use it more 2 to 3 times a week. But if you are experiencing sensitivity, make sure you're only using it once a week because it is exfoliating. But the fruit acid complex is a pretty gentle exfoliator, so I do not think you're going to really experience any irritation from it because it's such a mild alpha hydroxy acid. So this is the finished product, showing you guys little clips of it and how cute it looks. I hope you guys really love this. Let me know if you have any other requests for any other jelly type products because as you can see, I've been obsessed with jelly based products lately. And yeah, so let's move on to the formulation so you guys can see what the formulation looks like. And here is our formula for the Brightening Strawberry Jelly Face Mask. This way you can scale the recipe to however much you want to make. If you aren't sure how to transfer a formula written in percents to a weighed out recipe, I'll link down below to a video that'll show you guys exactly how to do that. I'll also link to my video on how I show you guys how to make labels. I get a lot of questions on that. And I'll also link to all the other jelly-based products I've made because if you like this, you'll probably like all the other jelly masks or products that I've made. So I'll link to those. Also, don't forget, I do have a Patreon where I write blogs that go right along with the videos I make here on YouTube. So if you want extra content or if you would like a just written out format of my videos, then go over there. It's so much more convenient having a written out format to a recipe. That way you don't have to go back and rewatch my videos. You can also actually download the recipes and then print them out if you want. I got all kinds of stuff over there, so if you want to go check it out, link down below. You can always unsubscribe if you aren't getting what you were expecting on there, or if you just don't like it, or if you just need to unsubscribe. Totally possible. So speaking of Patreon, let's move on to the Patreon shoutouts. At Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, Let's Blend, Creative with Love, Wallflower Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, at Sugared_Pineapple, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Say Tara, at Salt Air Label, Lunice Beauty, Ardure Naturals, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, at Danny Botanicals, Eclectic Beauty Cosmetics, EC Naturals, at Nino55, Ruhitas Skincare, and D. Murray Skin. I also sell products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my shop linked down in the description box along with all my lovely patrons. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I really appreciate all your guys' love and support on my videos. It means so much to me. I hope you continue to love the content I put out, and let me know if you guys have any requests for videos you would like to see in the future. Hope to talk to you guys in my next video. Later!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the